Welcome, low ego action heroes. I'm Debbie Levitt from Delta CX. We are a full service CX and UX consultancy. And this is my Axure 10 Core Skills course. I've been using Axure since February 2011, and I've been teaching it for many, many years. And in fact, I've been one of Axure's recommended trainers since 2014. This course is designed to take you from super Axure newbie or Axure afraid all the way through to confident intermediate. So if you've landed on this one video, there are many, many others. Please check our Axure lessons playlist for a lot more videos about using Axure. The Delta CX YouTube channel has over 500 videos on it as of when I'm recording this in December 2021, and I hope you'll subscribe and join in some of our live streams. I'm live usually 3 or 4 times a week with teaching UX research and design, talking about CX, helping people get into the profession, helping leaders and managers, and of course, don't forget Tuesday, office hours, Ask Me Anything. So subscribe and hang out here. So thanks for being here. Please subscribe and let's jump into that next Axure lesson.
Hey, now that we've made this drop list, I wanted to show you a little trick that a lot of people who use Axure don't know. I like to call it the slow click method for dealing with lots of layered stuff. Now, if we have layered here a hotspot, you can see it here in our outline. And we also have our drop list top, which is underneath the hotspot. You can see that in the outline. And we also have our icon. Now, if you needed to select one of these to deal with it, you could always select it from the outline. And I could hit return on my keyboard, and I could write some different text on it. But one mistake that some people make when they want to get at these shapes is they click on this and they get the hotspot, and they don't know how to click on this to get anything under it, like the icon or the drop list top box. And what they do is they start moving things away, and they start moving things around, and you know what? That just leads to mistakes. It leads to, I forgot to put it back. I put it back in the wrong place. So I like to teach people what I call the slow click method. So watch, I'm going to put my cursor over this icon, and I want you to watch the outline as I tell you I'm clicking to see what Axure has selected. And what you'll see is as I click about a second apart, so it's not a fast double click, it's kind of a really slow double click, you'll see that Axure moves me through all of the layers that are under my mouse cursor. And here at this point, it would be the hotspot, then the icon shape, and then the drop list top. So click 1 hotspot, click 2 shape, click 3 drop list top. Click 1 hotspot, click 2 shape, click 3 drop list top. And I can keep doing this. And what it means is that if I have a lot of stuff layered on top of each other and I know what I'm looking for is there, and maybe I forgot to name it and I'm having trouble finding it in the outline, I can just kind of slow click, so kind of a second apart, and go through all of the layers until I get to that thing at the bottom or that thing in the middle that I'm trying to isolate and deal with. So now that I have the shape selected, I can move it because that was the selected shape, and now I've got control over this. So that is my quick little tip on how to deal with lots of Axure things starting to overlap each other when trying to select them from the outline is not working well enough. Give it a try and see you in the next lesson.